Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. And first of all, congratulations to them who capitated on yesterday's move, since we had anticipated and the market moved just the way we had anticipated before. So now let's get started. Uh, First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having three high impact news into the market. One is at 6 p.m. and another is at 6:50 p.m. Apart from that, we are having news whole day actually. That is, we are having a lot of news throughout the day, but I'm just filtering out the medium to high impact news. So be cautious uh, while trading today, since the day can be really volatile. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and just we had anticipated the price took the high of the previous monthly high, and we are moving into the downward direction. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have in here. So this is the weekly chart, and the price had respected this FVG and moved into the further upside direction, and we are within this range right now. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have within it. So this is the daily chart, and right now the price had swept the high of the previous monthly levels and moved into the downward direction. So we are within this daily range where the price is reluctant to go higher and lower than this level. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and this could be a deciding factor for the price to go either higher or lower, because this is some kind of order flow, and the price is respecting the extreme FVG into the market right now, and we are moving into the further upside direction. So this could be a resistance. This violet or the purple area can be the resistance for the resistance for the price, and we can possibly react from this area and move into the further downward direction. Else, if we disrespect it, we are going to move further higher, or maybe the 50% of this overall move. We're marking it, and then we are going to respond back into the downward direction. So if this is disrespected, we are most likely going to the 50% of this move, and then we are going to see a reaction. So for now, this I'll consider this as a resistance. So let's move to the 1 hour. Moving into the 1 hour, we can clearly see that the price is moving into the further higher direction, and we can see a possible slowdown, though we are still having one candle left to see the particular slowdown. So let's move to the 30 minutes to see the overall scenario. Into the 30 minutes, we are moving into the higher direction. Sorry about that. Higher direction, and I am anticipating that the price is going to sweep the Asia high and move into the downward direction. If this doesn't happen, most likely we are going to disrespect the strong low. Let's move to the 15 minutes. We are going to disrespect the strong low of the 15 minutes, and then we are going to continue our journey further into the downward direction below this low, and this low will be vulnerable too. That is, we are going to take this low too, and if this low is being taken by the market, most likely this will be the vulnerable low too. So if this low fails, we are going completely downward direction. That is, we are going to disrespect this extreme low of the market. So for now, let's move back to the 15 minutes. For now, I'm anticipating that we are into the bearish state, that is highly bearish state. The price moved into the downward direction without any resistance in it, and currently we are moving into the further upside direction, and I'm anticipating that the price can possibly take the Asia high, and then we are going to continue this momentum into the downward direction and towards the this extreme low. So if this doesn't happen, that scenario, that if we are not going to respect this level, and we are going to respect the strong low within this move, most likely we are going to mitigate the 50% of this current move, and then we are going to see a reaction into the downward direction. So this is all for today, and do write me into the comment if you have any confusion regarding any concept, and do write me into the comment regarding the mentorship too, since I'm planning and I'm having a major concern about the seriousness of the people who are going to learn this particular overall style of mine. I shouldn't consider it mine, but yeah, for now I have developed it in my own way. So those who want to join, do write me into the comment and how it can be really beneficial to people. So this is pretty much it. Uh, till now, thank you for watching, and peace.